Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video it's about Potli buttons. So let's get started. Potli or Potli, I'm not sure about the pronunciation, but it's an Indian word which means a bundle. What I did first is to make a 2.5 inches square. After cutting, mark the center of the square, so make a small dot. And then draw a small line, 0.5 inches from the center. Next is to bring the needle right on the center. And then pivot your fabric 360 degrees while holding your pen steadily, making this circle. And then next is to baste the circle mark. You can do it by hand or by machine using the big stitches. So the next thing to do is to fill this circle with scraps. I'm using the scrap from my serger. Just get a pinch and then make a ball. Then after that, put it inside the basting. And then pull one thread from the basting stitch. Just keep pulling the thread until it encloses the ball of scraps. You can use your tweezer or a stick to poke in the scraps. At this point, we can now tie both threads around the shank tightly. Then make several knots to lock. After that, we can now cut off the excess fabric. And that's it. That's how you do your Potli buttons from your scraps. So I hope you learned something new from this tutorial. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with all of your friends. And I'll see you next time.